Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to talk about the top features of the new MacBook Pro 13.3 version with the M1 powered processor from Apple. This laptop gets a 13.3-inch Retina display powered by 8GB of RAM, and you have 256GB storage, but you can also consider other options in the market. So let's get started with the top features of this laptop. So this over here you can see is the MacBook Pro, which is powered by the M1 chipset. In terms of design, there's very little to differentiate between the older one. You have this clean interface on the front with the Apple logo, and then you have the sleek design body that is able to fit in a lot of power inside. Speaking of which, this one is powered by the new M1 chipset from Apple, which has been designed in-house. This chipset promises improved performance without compromising on battery life. The fanless design means that there's going to be very less heating and puts less strain on the hardware. That effectively improves the battery life as well. In addition to this, you have 8GB of RAM with 256GB storage. The minimum that you get with the MacBook Pro is 8GB, but you can consider different storage option depending on your usage. The other big highlight about the MacBook Pro is the touch bar that you get on the top. This can be customized depending on what your usage is. You have the Siri button on the right hand side, and then you have the mute button and the volume button, and depending on what kind of platforms or softwares that you're using on the device, you get different kind of features built into this, which can be customized accordingly depending on what your usage is. Now in terms of the keyboard, you know about this Magic Keyboard that Apple has used for past year or so, and that continues to be the case with this one as well. And the trackpad is very well known for its effectiveness and performance, and Apple has continued to use this yet again. Overall, what you can see is a laptop which is quite power packed. It is feature rich, but it's not very heavy, and the compactness means that M1 chipset makes it a very good value, especially for the performance that you get without taking a lot toll on you. So you can clearly see why the new MacBook Pro powered by M1 chipset is so popular in the market right now. The improved performance along with better battery life, but with a fanless design, which means less heating, and that's really appealing to everyone. It gets 8GB of RAM as a minimum. You have 256GB storage. You can consider other storage options as well. You have a Retina display, which is bright, crisp, and really very popular. You have a touch bar ID, which is also quite functional and multi-purpose. And then you have this Magic Keyboard, which is quite renowned for its overall performance. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.